Okay. What are you doing? What? Okay. What you are creating? Huh? R. Okay. You need R. What you are doing? C. Okay. Okay. Wheel. Correct. Put it to the side. Okay. Yes, this side. What you need? For I what? For I for what? Okay, this is I. This is P. What you need now? Z. Okay, good. What is this? Zip. Correct. Good boy. Next. Hmm? What your son? Okay. What you need now? S. Where is S? Find it out. Where is S? Nearby your hand only. It's there. Near your hand. Your right hand. Right hand. Right hand. Where your right hand was? Come on. अरे हाँ चल दूसरा घे जाऊ दे ते भेटत नाही आहे ना दुसरा घे. You need S? Here S. What you're doing now? Okay. G. What is that? G. Okay. Wow, you got it. Great. Yeah. Now you can create a sun. Underneath you. There. Yeah. Correct. Here you have S. Yes. Correct. You need S only now. Okay. Yeah. You can put it aside.
Mama,
Fan. Okay. So fan you're preparing. So. What you need? What you need? What is that? N. Okay. Okay. What is the next? What spelling you are creating next? Come on, fast. Huh? What is dog? Okay, dog. What you need now? Okay, D. What you need now?
Mama, Dad.
Dog. Yes. What is this? Dog. Okay. Come on, keep it aside now. Yeah. Keep it aside. Yeah. So what you need now next? What you're preparing next? Come on, do it fast. You have many things here, no? You have this, many things.
Mama,
You there you have some. Come on, fast, Ayansh. Come on, do it. What you will be doing? You. Okay, this is for. Keep it aside. I think we don't have P. Oh, yes, P. You know, after C, you have P. Great. Oh, P is not there, I guess. So let's find out after some time. Okay. Okay. What is that? G. What you need now? E. Oh wow. You know now you need E. Great. You know all the spellings now, huh? Correct. What is that? What you need? Huh? What you need now?
Mama, P.
Oh, you got P. Correct. Great job. Yes. Come on. It's done. Okay. Oh, okay. That is fine. Come on. You do your work. Okay. I'll keep it. Okay. Come on. Next. You are doing it. This, na? You need E. You said. Here. What you are doing that? What is that?
Mama, you.
Oh, you need U now. Oh, got it. You. Find out. Where is you? You got it. Now you know the spellings too. All.
Wait.
H-U-T. Hut.
Mama,
Yay. Done. Next. Now what? Do it now. Here we have bus. Here we have van. This stuff. Here I will spread it out. Okay. Then you will be able to identify easily.
Mama, egg.
Egg is done. Wow. You find it out. Come on. Nice. Come on. Do it fast. This one. What is that? What is that, Ayansh? Okay, what you need now?
It's
S. Oh, wow. Done. Correct. Finish. Yay. Good job. Next. What is next? Next. What you need now? What is that? What you're doing that? Bag. Wow. Oh my god.
Mommy.
And she's so happy. Next. Come on, next.
Mama,
Yes.
do.
What you need now? Hmm?
Mama,
What you want to make? What you want to make? You want to make this or you want to make this?
do.
To what? To?
Do.
Hmm? Make it now. This is there. This is there. Then this you can prepare. Anything.
Mama, do.
What? I'm not able to understand your language.
Mama, had it.
Hmm? What you want to prepare? Just tell me. Hmm? Come on. Van bano na? Van is there, right? Here. You are here. You can prepare the van.
Mama,
Huh?
one, it's your hair, one.
Van ithe hai. Okay. Do it fast. Come on. Yeah, van is done. This is the easiest thing, right, Ayansh? Yeah. Next. Come on.
Mama,
What you're doing now?
do.
Huh?
Mama, yeah.
Yak you are preparing. Okay. What you need now?
Yeah.
Huh? What you need?
Yuck.
Oh, what you need? What letter
Yak.
you need? What
Yak.
letter? What
Yak.
letter?
Yuck.
Yes. Okay. What letter you need?
Yuck.
Yes, Baba. Letter. What letter you need?
Yuck. Yuck.
Spelling.
Yeah, good.
Find
Yeah,
it.
good. Yeah.
What is there?
Yeah.
Oh, yak. Okay. What you need now?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Good job.
See that?
Chalo, done. Yeah. Next. Fatafat. Next.
Mama.
What you need? Owl. What is the spelling? What you need? What you need now? L. Correct. Wow. Outstanding. And this way Ayansh has done so many things. Wow. What you are doing now? Eh? What is that? Okay. Ayansh, we don't have that. What letter you need? Huh? What? That is hen. F is not there, Ayansh. You need F, na? F we don't have. I think you lost it. What you need now? What you need now?
Mama.
That is correct only, Ayansh. H-E is correct. You need N now, right? This one. Yes. What no? Good job. Correct. Okay, next. Prepare the eye, na? This eye. You were having eye. This one. Prepare. When you have there also, right? This one. So whatever you want to prepare. What you need now? E-Y-E. Okay, good job. Smart. Okay. Come on, next. Next. पटापट. एवढे राहिलेत आपल्याकडे अजून.
Mama.
What you need? What is that? Bed. Okay, we don't have B, Ayansh. So leave it. You lost it already. I don't know where did you put. What do you want now? What is that?
Mama, that.
Cat. What do you need now? Okay, what you need now? Prepare the cat, na? Okay, what is that? Rat. What you need now? Oh, what you need now? What you need now? What is that? Huh? What is that? What is that? Ayansh, what is that? Rat and bat is done. Good job. What you need now? What is pending? What is that? I will arrange here, okay? I will, What you need now? B. Okay. So where is B? B for what? M is for? Mat. Wow, Ayansh, good job. Wow, that's so nice. Next. Come on, next. Next. Cow and all those stuff. You prepare it, na? Cat, cow. Come on. What is pending now? What is pending? What is this? What you need? Cow is done. Cow is done. Yes, good job. Next. What is there? What is that? What you need now? What you need? Huh? What you need? Tell me. Spell it out. Tea. Where is tea? What tea you are putting it? This tea. Case छान कर. Yeah. Oh, now what you need? Are you're sleeping? Oh my God. What you need now? Come on, fast. Only few pending, and then Ayansh is a winner. What is this? Catch. What do you need now? Oh my God, you know all the spellings. Yay, Ayansh is enjoying. What is that, Ayu? What you need now? What you need? Okay, what letter you need here? Ayansh, जा मला बोलू नकोस बाबा. नीट सांग. उठून बसायचं आयांश. तू बॅड बॉय आहेस का? व्हॉट इज दॅट? टॉप. आयांश आता बोलत नाहीये तू. आता कंटाळला का? मस्तीच्या मूड मध्ये आला ना तू? आता चला एवढंच राहिलं आपल्याकडे. याला काय पाहिजे इथे? व्हॉट यू नीड हिअर? एच. कसं म्हणते आयांश? एच. आयांशला एक्सच म्हणता येत नाही ना आयांश? ओके. व्हॉट यू नीड नाव? व्हॉट इज दॅट? त्याला काय म्हणतात आयांश? तू काय बनवतोयस? एच. तू काय बनवतोयस पण सांग ना मला. टी पाहिजे. बापरे, तुला कळतो का टी पाहिजे? त्याला काय म्हणतात रे? हो, टी. व्हॉट इज दिस? हॅच. आता नेक्स्ट. आपल्याकडे तर काहीच नाही राहिलं आता. याचं ई नाहीये, याचं CP नाहीये. जाऊ दे, हे आपले असेच राहतात. आता मला सांग बरं, हे काय काय बनवलंस तू सगळं? सी नाहीये आपल्याकडे म्हणा आयांश. बाबू नाहीये. C is not there. What is this actually? Tell me. Okay. What is this actually? Tell me na. What is this? What you need here to complete this? Okay, you are creating again. What you need here to complete this? What is this, Ray? Ayu, what is this? Tell me na. What is this? Car. Next. Two car. What is that? Bus. Sun tutu. Van tutu. Owl tutu. Rat. Tutu. Bat. This one. What is this? Fox. Fox nahi. We don't have F na. Done. Good job. Yay, clap. Ayansh is a winner. Clap. Happy. Ayu, make a sweet face. Make a smile face. Happy face. See here and make a happy face. Ayansh, I'll take a photo. झाला आमचा धिंगाणा सुरू. Good job.